I'm Vanessa Ruck. I'm here in the Xlmoto garage, and today we're going to be looking at a mid-budget full men's adventure touring outfit. Finding the best gear for adventure touring can be a little bit of a research process, so hopefully today's video is going to give you an idea of a possible outfit from head to toe to take you on your adventures. We're going to be looking at the gear that's in front of me, so we've got some Alpinestars jacket, trousers, gloves, an Acerbis helmet and some SIDI boots. So let's look at each of these products individually. First up then, we have the Alpinestars Andes V3 Drystar jacket. Now, the name Drystar kind of gives away the fact that this is a fully waterproof offering from Alpinestars. The Drystar material is the fabrication of the whole jacket, and that's going to keep you really dry out on your adventures. Some of the details of the jacket include the ventilation system, which is called DVS by Alpinestars, Direct Ventilation System. This is designed to allow the airflow to come in through the front and out through the back, giving the most cooling on the body. So it's going to be a really good jacket for the warmer days, but it also comes with a thermal liner, which is going to tick off the cooler days. So we really are looking at a 3 seasons jacket here. Some of the more intricate details of the jacket are some reflective panels to give you a little bit more safety and visibility on the road. We've of course got the ventilation zippers on the front. You can see them both here. That's for the DVS ventilation. There is also a little popper in there that holds that ventilation system open to ensure that flow really can get through. 2 chest pockets on either side for some of your valuables. And then 2 big pockets down below, which are actually waterproof pockets, velcroing up and giving you a nice space for some of your belongings. Up on the neckline, it's got a soft edging, which is going to help prevent any chafing on your neck. There is a Velcro that holds it closed and also a little elastic that will hold it open if you want to allow a little bit more neck ventilation. Looking at the protection level of this jacket, we have Nucleon Flex armor in the elbow and shoulder. Now, Nucleon Flex is a armor system designed by Alpinestars, which is incredibly supple and flexible, but when it takes impact will give you really a very good level of protection. That is CE level 1 approved. That is in the elbows and the shoulders. When it comes to the back of the jacket, it is designed to take a back protector. It doesn't come with that back protection, so check out the Xlmoto website for some of the back protector options that can go with this. The jacket is also ready to take the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 air vest systems if you really want to take that protection to the next level. When it comes to the fit and shape of the jacket, there are a couple of features that are going to enable it to tailor to your body shape. Now, first of all, we have the sides. There are Velcros here. If I spin it round, you can see a little bit more clearly. That Velcro will enable it to fit round your waist. We have similar features on the inside of the arm here. Again, a little Velcro strap that can tighten that up onto your forearms. There is also a little popper up into the higher part of the arm should you want to go a little bit tighter there as well. So lots of options to really tailor this jacket to your size. The final part of that tailoring is a drawstring at the very bottom waistline, which will enable you to, again, pull the jacket in slightly to fit you. So lots of options to tailor this jacket to your body shape. Looking at the back of the jacket, we can see that the camouflage design does continue round to the back with some reflective panels. There is a large pocket on your lower back for further belongings for easy access. And then we can see where the rear air vents come through for that DVS ventilation system. We've looked at some of the outside features. This is a highly abrasion resistant constructed material, so let's have a look at the inside now. We've got a Velcro overflap and then a big zipper. There is a pretty decent size tab on that zip so you can feel it with your gloves on. And inside we can immediately see that thermal liner inside, which is going to give you some warmth on colder riding days. We have another waterproof pocket, which has waterproof sealed zips on the inside left chest. That gives you, again, more storage place, and it's quite a big pocket. If we hold the liner up out of the way, we can get a little bit more of a look at the inside of the jacket. We can see there is a mesh membrane, which is going to help with your cooling and prevent sort of any sweaty, sticky feeling on your skin. There are a couple of pockets on either side on the inside as well for further storage. And there is also a zipper that will enable you to attach this Andes jacket to the trousers that come with it that we will be looking at in a moment. And right up to the back, you can see where the jacket is ready to take a back protector if you wanted to buy one of those separately. So that is a bit of a summary of the Andes jacket. Let's now take a look at the trousers that are designed to go alongside it. So these are the Alpinestars Andes V3 Adventure trousers, again designed to go with that jacket. Let's look at some of the specifications of these. So these trousers are constructed from the same Drystar material of the jacket, which is going to keep you nice and dry on those wet, rainy days. In terms of practicality, we've got some large cargo pockets on either side. There's a Velcro tab, and they are designed with an overflap to prevent the water being able to go in. Good size pocket there for your belongings. There's one of those on either side. We also have a ventilation system on these trousers. So here is the zip. It has got a water sealed zip to prevent unwanted water ingress when it's wet. There's a popper inside that will open up, and that will hold the ventilation open slightly to give you better ventilation. Protection-wise, these trousers are a highly abrasive resistant material. We also have the BioFlex protection in the knees. That is a very supple, soft padding, which is going to give you protection if you need it. Hopefully you won't. In terms of the fitting of these trousers, Alpinestars have put in a few features to make sure that you can get a comfortable fit for you. So first of all, we have the waistband. We've got a zip and a popper clip combination. And then on either hip, you have a similar Velcro strap system where you can slightly reduce the size of that hip band based on your body. There is also the option to have dungarees. Now these are removable should you decide not to want dungarees, but if you do, it will hold them, again, not moving on your body. When it then comes down to the lower end of the trousers, getting your trousers to fit comfortably and snugly with your boot options is quite important. So Alpinestars have used a Velcro system on the lower leg, and that's going to give you a little bit more flexibility to get your boots inside and hold those securely on them, as well as an additional little bit of tensioning capability just below the knee. Let's show you the other side of the trousers. Full D-star construction, a little bit of reinforced material around the grippy points of your knees where you're likely to be holding onto the bike as you're riding along. And we can see a zipper at the top. This is designed to mate with the jacket to hold your outfit together. And then an important part for the colder weather is what is going on inside. There is a fully removable liner in here that is thermal. So these trousers are going to keep you dry, they're going to keep you warm when you want them, and they're also going to keep you cool on slightly warmer days. A fantastic offering from Alpinestars. So that's the Andes V3. Let's look at what we can put on your hands. So Alpinestars have thought of your hands, and there is a Andes V3 glove offering to go along with this outfit. So here they are. These are constructed from highly abrasion resistant materials, but they've also put some practicality in there. So fingertips are smart screen capable. So if you've got to use your GPS or your phone, you're not going to have to keep fumbling around taking your gloves off. As far as fitting and safety security of these gloves, there are two fastening capabilities. So the first one is higher up your wrist to get it comfortable with your jacket sleeve. And then you also have a slightly lower down fastener to ensure that it's really secure on your hand and isn't going to just pull off if your hand goes down. It is quite a long sleeve gauntlet, which is going to make sure that you have got a nice overflow, no drafts on your arms as well. There is a little bit of reflective material into the stitching for a little bit of safety, and a soft leather hand with additional padding around your grip. There is also some protective knuckle going on in there. That's going to give you protection for repeated impacts. Hopefully that's not impact with someone's face, but if you catch your knuckles whilst riding along. A really important part of this glove is the fact that it's actually made of Alpinestars Drystar material as well, so no wet, soggy hands. Designed to go in combo with the outfit. That is your hands covered. Let's look at an option for your feet. So here we have a pair of boots from the Italian brand SIDI that we think would be a great company to this outfit. These are a highly durable and weather-resistant option. Let's look at some of the features of these. So we have a big thick rubber sole, which is going to give you grip when you're not on the bike. They're made from really durable materials, which will hopefully give you a good lifespan out of your boots. As far as the fastening and comfort, they've also introduced a few more flex panels than previous models. So you can see here, it's quite effortless to flex that boot, which is going to give you a little bit more comfort as you're riding along. There are 2 clips that open up and a big Velcro panel. As you can see here, there is a full membrane inside the boot that is Gore-Tex, and it's going to give you a very breathable but waterproof boot offering. So fantastic for all-weather riding in lots of different conditions. The brown material on the boot is a microfiber and suede finish, and there are also some little reflective touches to give you some additional safety. Protection-wise, this boot has got a reinforced toe, sole, heel, and shin. It's going to keep your foot, your ankle safe whilst riding. When it comes to a helmet, we've got the Acerbis Serem helmet option to look at today. Now, this is a flip-up chin helmet, and we can see here, but it has got some really cool features. For example, integrated sunglasses. That's operated with a single hand switch on the side, which you're going to be able to do riding along very easily. We have a quick release safety chin strap and a comfortable padded liner. This liner is fully removable, which is going to make washing your helmet and maintaining good hygiene for your head very easy. There is a ventilation system across the top of the helmet as well. So you've got 1 at the front, 2 at the back. Visor-wise, it comes with a standard visor. It is possible to get a pinlock ready visor as an optional extra for this helmet, so do check out the Xlmoto website for that. The helmet weighs in at about 1,500 grams. So there we have it. The Acerbis flip-up helmet could be an ideal final touch to your adventure touring outfit. The Alpinestars Andes V3 Drystar jacket. This features a waterproof Drystar breathable membrane, advanced abrasion-resistant textile construction and reinforcement, removable long-sleeve thermal liner, a direct ventilation system, zippered chest air intakes and back exhaust ports, a CE Level 1 with Nucleon Flex Plus shoulder and elbow protections included. It's also compatible with Nucleon chest and back inserts and comes ready compatible for the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 airbag system. There are front waterproof cargo and interior wallet pockets, 3D mesh internal lining, arm and waist adjustment belt with cord adjustment on the hem, and a trouser to jacket connection zipper. The Alpinestars Andes V3 Drystar Adventure trousers feature a waterproof Drystar breathable membrane, advanced abrasion-resistant textile construction and reinforcement, removable long thermal liner, connection zipper for attaching jacket, efficient ventilation ports, pre-contoured leg construction with stretch inserts at the knee, a tapered touring fit, internal compartments ready for hip protection pads, which are sold separately, removable and adjustable knee protectors, reinforced knee area material, adjustable waist and removable bib braces, cargo style pockets, and is CE Level 2 and Class A approved. The Alpinestars Andes V3 Drystar gloves. They feature a goat leather palm construction with micro ripstop. They're a Drystar waterproof membrane, viscoelastic knuckle guard, stretch panels for enhanced flexibility and fit, reinforcement of the side of the hand, touchscreen compatible fingertips, and reflective panels. The SIDI Adventure 2 boots feature a full-grain microfiber and suede material. They're lined with a Gore-Tex waterproof and breathable membrane, Velcro strap closure with micro-adjustable and replaceable buckle system, full-length inner gaiter, a flex system, elastic panel on the calf area, shift pads, and nylon inner sole and removable arch support pad. The Acerbis Serem flip-up helmet features a shell made of thermoplastic, anti-scratch treated visor with a wide field of vision, a hypoallergenic, removable and washable interior, a fully adjustable ventilation system, quick release buckle, and weighs in at about 1,500 grams plus or minus 50. Please do let us know in the comments what kit you're riding in. Are you interested in any of these offerings? I'm Vanessa Ruck here in the Xlmoto garage. All of these products and many more are of course available on the Xlmoto website. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.